Yeah, hi guys. So here we are. We're already at the park, and as you can see on my left side, that's where everything is going on. The cars are just there. I can see them, but they're not so many. But we'll see what they are. And then the picnic is inside the parks. You can see it, but yeah, we're going to take a tour. So let's go.
4.
Okay, here we are. This is the first car, a Range Rover, as you can see, and yeah, and those are the other cars. We'll go, I'll film them one by one, and then you let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below, and then we'll go for the picnic. So come along with me, guys. I love this car. It's really cute. Okay. Yeah, so here's the first car. It's a Range Rover. We have so many Range Rovers in Kenya. Now here is one. It's an English car. And the second car, it's a Mercedes. Oh, there was someone inside. I didn't see him. Yeah, so here's the Mercedes. This other one, I don't know. Ah, it's a Peugeot. A very old Peugeot. Don't know which year. It's a 4.4. I like it though, it's nice. Oh, they all look brand new. Just been polished. Looks good. Yeah, the other car is there. Which mark is this? Well, I'm not an expert in cars, but I love it. It's a French car, Citroën, very old car. I think this would be a perfect car for, for like a wedding. I love it. I think so far, the cars that I've seen, this is my first favorite. Let's move on. There's this other one. I don't know. Which mark this is. I think it's a French car. So that's it. This one is also cute. I like it. Then this little one here. Oh, it's so cute. See how it is inside. No, it's really cute and cute. Yeah, so this is the car right there. Guys, please comment down below. Tell me which is your favorite one. This is a Peugeot. It's a 4.4 GR9. It's 19. It was made in 1966. Wow. And it's in this
Papi, il avait une voiture comme ça avant.
look at this one. Wow, this is also cute. I love it. I think I love the red color. It's really cute. So far I don't know there are how many. Yeah, I think this is the 10th one, I think. Wow, look at this one. I love this one. I love this one. Wow. I love this one. I wonder how much this is. Look at the inside. Wow. It's in good condition.
Tu rayes ta balle. Donc la couleur elle est magnifique. Quand t'as un accident, c'est pour ça qu'il y aura plus mal.
Look, it's clean inside.
Tu vas tamponner ça, c'est tu mets ta main au fond chez lui.
You can see it is also in perfect condition. Let me check the front. So this is our car there. And this other one, it's Rolls Royce. Ooh, look at that. It's a Rolls Royce. It's huge. So huge. I love the color. Perfect condition. Not perfect, but let's look inside the car. So there's all this. Yeah, it's good. Wow. The Rolls Royce. Did I say it right? Wow. I will take it on the front side. Look at this car. It's a Ferrari. I've never been in a Ferrari, but let's go inside the Ferrari. Vous allez me prendre. Voilà,
Alors j'appuie où?
Rien. Juste.
J'appuie où?
Rien. Tu l'écoutes juste comme ça. Ça y est.
Juste comme ça?
Ça commence. C'est déjà.
Ah, c'est on filme?
Oui, ça y est. Waouh. Yeah, I'm in a Ferrari and I love this shoe.
Voilà.